A mother dog seeks shelter on a stormy night, her pups huddled close. A stranger's welcoming light beckons, promising safety in the darkness. Dawn breaks, revealing an absence that grips Luna's heart with fear. On a frantic search, Luna leaves a trail of desperation, her pups mirroring her every step. Tears of relief flow as Luna and the stranger find each other again, a bond forged in gratitude. The lost are found, and a reassuring touch heals the wounds of separation. As the storm recedes, an unexpected friendship blooms under the clearing sky. In step, they walk forward, guided by the kindness that brought them together. The pups revel in newfound joy, their laughter echoing the bond that now ties them all.